Series na ba? As we walk by the river, ito na. That's when I fell deep in love. The beauty of your face was beyond my wildest dreams. Okay. Like a cherry blossom swimming in the mountain breeze. As we walk by the river, I softly hold my hand. That's when I fell deep in love.
Ikaw na, doon ka.
Bakit hindi naman maging excited sa isang song, diba?
Ito.
Papa.
Ano bang alam? Hindi kasi. Wait lang.
Yung favorite niya?
Okay. Pinaka-easy.
Ma! I'm here upstairs! Look at! Hi! Ano yan?
Wala pa kasi.
Mainit! Wait lang, na parang na... Bye-bye! Is that zombie? Ha?
Sing, not guess the title.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Walang lyrics. Mama!
Wala pa kasi, be.
Ay,
Quit na tayo dito. Alam niyo, may nakita akong video.
ano? Ano yan? Zombie? Oo, anak!
Like,